Hi, I'm John Ruther, owner of Northstar Motorsports in Chicago. At Northstar, we are the original racing resource, where we sell a full line of auto racing safety equipment, from helmets, all the fire retardant clothing, harnesses, seats, brake pads for your race car from Paget and Endless. Today I'd like to talk to you about a very interesting product. It's a new company, relatively new, that we've been taking care of all of their products, and I'd like to show you what they have. They started out doing protective washes and refresh systems for your driving suit. All racing clothing is made out of Nomex, and Nomex is kind of a high-tech fabric, and you really shouldn't wash it with your traditional detergent that you have at home. Molecule makes their wash in a 16-ounce bottle. It's $19. They also make it in a convenient gallon size. If you race a lot and you get your driving suit washed every weekend, you'll go through a gallon pretty fast, and it's just around $50 for a gallon size, which is very economical. They also make a spot cleaner. This works. It doesn't hurt the fabric, won't harm the colors in your suit. I had a customer who had a white cart suit, and he wore it the first time and got chain oil all up the back of the suit, and he was absolutely sick. He said, "I've ruined my new cart suit." And we shot it with this spot cleaner. It all came out. The suit looked absolutely brand new. The oil all came out of the suit. So it works. They also make a protector, which is a product that you can spray on the inside of your suit and on the outside. This adds to the fire retardancy of your suit. And they do make a refresh, which only goes on the inside of the suit. This basically it's an antimicrobial, keeps the bugs from growing inside your suit, makes it smell nice and fresh, works really, really well. Then they've recently come out with a complete line of products for your helmet. They make it in a complete kit with 4 small bottles, 4-ounce bottles, and this is $25. But what comes in that kit is a rain repel, which goes on your visor. It's kind of like Rain-X for your visor. They have an anti-fog, which goes on the inside of the visor to keep it from fogging. A helmet refresh, so you can shoot it inside. Whether you use a balaclava or whether you don't, you can shoot this up in there. It'll keep the interior of your helmet nice and fresh. And then lastly, it comes with a cleaner polish, which is good for helmets with a gloss finish, whether it's white or black or some other color. And they also make a matte detailer if your helmet is a matte black finish. It'll keep the matte look to it and does a really, really nice job. So you get 4 of these in this kit if you want to buy it that way. They're $7 a piece if you want to buy them individually. They also make a convenient travel size of the spot cleaner and the wash for $10. And I keep one in my gear bag all the time, because if I really soil a suit and it needs to be laundered while I'm at the racetrack, I've got it right with me. At any rate, those are the line of products from Molecule. I like them very much, and I think they're a terrific addition to any racer's gear bag. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm John at Northstar Motorsports. Our phone number is 800-356-2080, or go to our website at northstarmotorsports.com, or come into our store in Barrington, Illinois. We have all of these products as well as all of our safety equipment items on display. You can try on anything that you might see here. We'd be happy to help you with it. If you have any other questions, just give us a call. And if you'd like to subscribe to our videos, just sign up on the area below. And if you do that, you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. You can watch the next in our series. Thanks so much for watching.